Hello, give me a minute.
Yes, sir. Whenever say give me a minute. Good morning.
Man, you look lovely. Let me see you. I swear. Where you from, around here?
Yeah, I live right up the road out to the big car.
John, sweetie. I'm feeling alright. You look sweet and sexy. You just look like one sexy baked bean. Top and bottom. So, where are you gonna go?
I shot me Lago.
Can I come with you?
Yeah, you can come with me if you want.
So, hold on. Before we even start, walk up and down with you. You have a boyfriend? A single? Are you taking?
Me don't really know enough. Me I talk to one man, but he have a woman when live with.
What?
Yes,
So, me not understand that. Me not understand that or understand that at all. You have a man and you have a woman.
Yeah, I live with a woman.
If you be a man, baby, watch out.
You're single?
I'm ready to mingle.
I saw you tell me saying this single and then me saying live with a woman.
Me not stay them way, the baby. Look for me, my thing well smooth. Like breeze. Isn't it?
I hear you.
No joke, but me like you look same like your shape. You work out?
No.
So, yeah, that's natural stuff?
Just natural.
You got church?
No. But we went funeral time.
So, you don't believe in a God?
Yeah, me believe in a God, but what that have to do with nothing? You not for God church to praise God.
You know so
you
much
praise
blessings,
God,
you know so much blessings you get up and down and all around.
What blessings?
You don't see it?
Oh.
You're blind? I can tell you on that shirt though.
Thanks. Anyways, me a come God shop because I want the lady like a shop and go to church. I want to get my feed so I can go cook my rice and peas.
So, you can come and shop with you?
If you want to come and shop with me, you can come as long as you can pay for the peas.
I'm going to pay that one already, man.
Hello. Come here. Good day.
Good day.
You see your uncle?
No, I'm not seeing from morning.
If you see him, tell him to wait for him because the money when he tell me so I'm going to give me 50 the truck man. The truck man will wait for me and all know him can come and the man say maybe you know bother do this something. So when you see your uncle, tell him to wait for him or tell him to call me, you hear? Alright.
You are?
Yeah.
You know where you're from?
Me. You see man the shot out me for? I'm a man.
What?
Dog.
She not here.
How you know that?
Woman, that?
Yeah.
So you don't know?
No, she don't know. That's why I pretend to be the man. Yes. So we can go but go eat food or something.
Oh, so not the car from Papi show.
If you call it, you can say it so, but we don't see it so.
Wait till you find out.
A fair business.
Yes. So you get up chat to the boy, them man. You and half the thing out there, baby.
Yeah. Where's I end up on the road?
Where you come from?
Take a walk out the road, I want me.
I'm just see your niece, you know, and they tell her to tell us me I wait for you. Remember the chop man?
Yeah, me remember it. My niece fast, sir.
Yeah?
So how me call my niece and my niece is sick.
I'm just for a super well. She and one man pass down up the road.
No, man, my niece can never. My niece pass the dish, man.
What do you mean? What you talk so? What make you be so strong? No, your niece.
Pass with the wish, man. Where? How?
She passed with one man gone up the road.
She tell me, say, she did a yard lay down and said.
So no big woman with your business with your niece who she want pass with.
No, any man when I pass with me have to know the man.
Yeah.
You not supposed
to. Are you picnic? Remember say your niece.
That no fair.
Anyway, stop talking about your niece and man where she pass with. We don't know that concern. And where you base for like I say, yo man. The money figure the man for the with the
the
truck
money,
man.
the money. I me go check out and you not coming like car.
Jesus God, so that they not go bother work out.
Why you think he not about to work out?
The man they call me every minute for the money. He want to go start out with something. I mean, they done give him part-time money already. So, what your problem?
Sometimes you have to understand, David. I don't like certain things. Money just come and go, you know, but you have to just wait.
Alright, me call
You go on like he not gonna deal with. Tell him man, the man too greedy, man. Tell him man, and you cause it too, you know.
What me
You
do?
don't wait till at the money, you call him, man. You have to always wait till the money in your hand before you call a truck driver. Same thing with water, man. You call him and you have the money ready. The man reach, full up his tank, and we couldn't pay in the same time.
It's not my fault that.
Of a fault.
I hear it, but you love blame people that are your style.
No, man, you don't do that, man. You wait first till you have the money. Then
I
you
didn't
do
have my
that.
money underneath the pillow, you know, and you take out it and use it. And tell me, say, I will give me back. And no problem. Everything on me. Everything
Oh,
good,
shut
man.
your knees.
Yeah, man, everything on me. I'm me, Kasi, I know you. Me did have the money already. Me could have give him and you give me it back. You take it, use it. Who to tell if I know your niece again? No play with me. Just
No, she is sick. And we can't go to a doctor.
did sick or she sick? She's from when she sick?
For a week, you say,
Like
man.
every day she is sick. What do her? She a fibroid?
I don't know. I don't know. You don't cook.
No. Everything where you buy in the house, done. Because you have one craving niece the way you have the come there. And name out everything every time when she come. You know she can name so like she have worm. Can't bother with your family them, you know. They name too much, man.
You know what? Me go cook.
Where you go cook? You know you say nothing up there. Oh, you trying to bother touch me one tin mackerel where you see in your cupboard, you know? That me I tell you. Oh, because you go from morning and just say come back like I say, you not cook. You give me money for look here. Nobody touch a mackerel there. One tin mackerel can't serve for two somebody. A 3 little stick them put in a 1 little tin mackerel, so it can't share. I feel use with the roasting breadfruit when they have later.
Unfortunately, me give it.
Give away what, the breadfruit?
The mackerel is small, you know. You never check your cupboard.
Say God no.
So God don't know already?
Yeah.
God already know. Me give it. Me can't tell no lie. Me give it. You go walk there and say no, did it?
So me fit me and come. No, me no joking. Papa, you go have to go and shop, go get it back a time.
No, me need say me go cook some rice and peas, so I tell him to take the mackerel.
Rice and peas and mackerel. Me tell you them they sitting every time that you give people to eat. So how you figure? So when your niece?
Yeah.
So your niece important more than me and you?
She's young, we old. Come on.
So old people no name?
No, old people can.
Alright, me lay down and dead then. I'm dead for younger because what you want me to do?
No, old people can drink water. See, I drink water, they come on, no? You can't survive it.
So this can't turn in my belly till when?
Till later on.
I water this, you know? And a juice.
A flavor water.
Don't like how you Don't like how you feel.
Hey, girl, what you doing, my man? Hey. You see all you? What you doing with she?
Yeah, where the pan?
What you mean when me the pan?
Because like me tell you, me done with a mad girl. I want you.
Okay,
Where you
my
take
man,
this thing
no.
from?
And me tell her when this done. This not done yet. Until this withered up. And you know, wither for now.
What?
And that me I try to tell you.
What?
Tell her this, man. We don't chat. Otherwise, you know, see a gunshot. So you can go and contact. You see, next time you see somebody can try this style. There's no say.
You see, next time me see you with somebody, me not go there so I toe to toe with you.
Yo,
And when you see I push, I hit me, I go push too.
you see, you go like a shot and force. I'm going to show you something. You see how long. I tell all the police them about you know. You so much time you call police
What police can do?
So much time you call police for me. I tell all the police them about you know. I bet me murder you.
Murder me.
You want to test me feet? Go and watch me. Go and hide and watch me.
Me not have
see.
watch you.
You see them sitting away like weird? You see them sitting like weird? Me no want my woman to wear them sitting here.
Nice,
Cut up like a bite you up.
As some me I go forever look. As you see as they walk and I look man. Man, woman, they go walk and look man too.
You know what too? They are saying up here chatting with you all the while now. Like you remember how me be? You remember how me be? Go and ramp with me. Go and ramp
I
with
don't do
me
me
daily, yeah?
bucky with somebody else. I will see and I saw it I go down here.
Who you talk to? Watch you make up murder that girl, man. It's alright. Everything good. Where they go?
Daddy, you know, say woman done this stuff.
My woman, you see me like that mad girl there. Why come watch out my life. If you see scene when just create down this upon me. Yo, my daughter, I told me don't want to hurt her, you know. And gone on prison, you know. And can't get the chance to come mind you and sit, you know. Because I don't want no boy out there spend no money upon you, you know.
Snoop Bex.
Yo, me say if you know what she do, if you see that person sitting down, you know, if you never see one of them, you're lucky. You're lucky. You ain't something proper. Where they go by the way?
Let's walk out. Now it was hot.
So out I don't have breeze. Me say if out I don't have breeze. Look in my face when me talk to you.
Good on this, so.
Go do what?
Now it was hot.
So down there so cold.
Yeah.
What down there cold? Okay, me know why you ramp with me, you know, when you come to something good in the future, you know. Me know why you get up and feel like say you can come ramp with me thing, you know. You hear? And when you take your eye off of the little mad girl, you know. Me know when you to the watch it. Anyways, I can kill you off the road. I mean, you know, go down here, so. You go up, back up here, so if I down here, so you feel your coolness. You better start feel up in the yard. You hear? And a ramp with me. You feel like I'm like a boy down the sea, I want to go down the sea, down the sea with.
No, me don't
I like a boy, them sit down the sea, I want to sit down on the road with. Yeah, my daughter and I love you, you know. I don't want to hurt you. Here, you don't want to hurt you. You see how long I sit down in my back. And you finally come out. You have to go up there. You have to go up there. And that may make you know. Ramp with me here.
I must joke this, sir. Okay, I must joke this. I have to joke. How far me tell the little girl, say, take up the sit there and clean up the place. Jenna!
Are you fi clean up? Look on them big old sitting here one can and come clean up.
So when you work hard.
No, that's the truth now, Papa. You can't make with that. I just a work and I take up. You look on them, better you pay somebody if you take them up. How them heavy?
I'm going to ask you a question. How pay college fee?
Me and you.
How come to be me and you in our work? I'm me alone at work in this place.
Daddy, I'm married for a long time. Anything where you have a fear, so I feel no.
So that your mama sit down and plan. Say anything me have a phone.
You don't have a chance.
So that you sit down and tell him.
No, all you do is buy with pay cran water and chips. Give me some of that. From morning, you know, name.
Hey, yo. You give me the last mackerel. Alright, now me hungry and a hungry man is a hungry man and me now do nothing.
I see where you get it from.
She get big now and she understand where you do. Where you put me in the pa?
I see where she get it from.
You hear me say anything?
I see where she get it from. Listen to me. Me I work too hard. So if your daddy tell us to clean up your yard, you clean up your yard. So put me let your visitor come in.
If you're picking the tell us say no do it, he nah do it.
Are you up with it? I'm not having 18 enough. Me will rock clean my fist enough.
When? Where? How? I in front of who? You mad?
So, okay.
Who are we? We gang you in here if you don't know.
I'm beating you on one place.
Me not care.
Did I beat you?
Your band go see this house here. Your band go see it. Your mother go see it. So, me, you know, take me nothing, just pack her up, put a little bag and put it on.
Ambition you not have. Your band come see it and your mother come
She
see
reach
it.
18.
And your great grandmama house. You don't know shame and come take me care of something.
Yeah, I fear
and
part.
you breed me on top of it. And put me in it before you walk this sack out, before you pull it down and build one new sickle. Your band can see it and your mother can see it.
Wait. Listen to me.
No, I hear nothing from you.
I only hope you don't become like your mother, you know. I only hope you get your turn a doctor or a liar.
My daughter reached the age when I can talk anything in front of her now. You see the way how you are going from the other day? Right now, my front lip on strike. And me, you asked last night if you pick me. When? You're mad. Who you going to breed again? And the babe, so you're not even want to give me no money for go to supermarket. Can you imagine the one mackerel you see in our house? You take it and give it away. But he take it Guineas. Eh? You notice everything he have, all if he have one money, and you say you want to go somewhere, I feel Guineas. I was so in this and niece, yeah.
No, my long generation of family is very poor. I am the most successful one right now.
So where you coming after me life for? If you come carry on crosses in this family? One heap of crosses.
What? Me?
Yes, you.
Carry on crosses?
Because all when you have money you ever broke. You're too wicked and lie.
A beautiful daughter when I go to college.
With nothing behind you, dirty dog.
One.
You think when she did small this and me every time you say something to me, they ball and they hold my mouth and they say, I chew with that and me no want to say, if you think you're bad, I'll man me can you find out. I'm serious. You're bright. I can't tell you what a film place and how long are you born come see it and me care who you know look at you're lucky. You but think me know you where they do out a road, but any day me find out a which woman that you will see.
Me?
No, me.
Come here. Wait. What do you?
Don't speak to her in that manner. You're damn in out of order. You're not got manners. I hear blood, but if you don't grow them with no manners, then I go. You notice how she talk to you a little while, and you chat one. I see where you come from, and you should take off her.
Out of me talking to you.
No, Daddy, don't put me in that position.
Out of me.
Ask me where did I ask me?
Before me ask you
No,
that.
I don't want to hear.
Come here. I chat to you. You know the man that 380. You have to be the up. Come here, sir. Out of me and your mother.
You don't set me.
Come here. Me I chat to you. Me not say to you.
I am not a goat. Stop saying come. Come like yarning.
You see, paying out that's what I waste. And I waste my time. And I'm hungry. You take up all of them here. Take them up out of the way and you make people drop. But you want to if you come take up all of them and big old head sitting here. You're lucky. You want them where they chat to out the road, carry them come clean them up. You're bright. You brighty?
So me no.
Me know what? You want to sit here dash over there so that I'm going to go to your business. Take them up. All you're doing here is just nyam and go road. It's just go to the road, go look woman and nyam in the yard. Everything we cook your nyam out here, not even remember me and your picnic. It's a wicked man. I'll let you walk them in the yard. For me and Kena, you're mad.
Money a come, man.
Money a come from where?
You must have pay for your college fee, you know. Money is coming. Don't worry about that, man. Don't fret. Just go on and relax. I order some food for you.
Fast food?
Yeah.
Sign up, Papa. You know, better you give me money. I'm going to go to the supermarket, go take up some groceries and serve.
No.
And we can't have that too much.
Every time you give you money, if you go to the supermarket, you squeeze off some for yourself. I don't like that. I can't do that.
You have one like you giving a portion of money about squeeze off. Papa, you know see your things expensive now.
No, man, that's relax.
Minimum wage how much? 15,000.
16
Then say them all put $1,000 on it. That still cannot buy anything. You have to pay fare, you have to buy lunch, and 2 taxi a daytime go and come back to go work.
With the minimum wage, we understand for poor people. Yeah. But you see, if you have minimum wage, you have to learn to eat little.
Look, no man, if take this and look at your whole head today. You hear me? I tell you, what you do? Follow them, the idiot there. Then don't make it in a life already. A poor people make them reach where they reach. So not tap these poor people. Because if I never poor people, them wouldn't have what they have. They cannot have it just off of their own just so.
Eat liquor. You know, listen.
Go name, Papa, and I'm tell you if you go name shit and leave me alone. You hear? Because you see where you're going with?
Listen.
A foolishness you go along with
Listen.
you know?
Poor people.
Look on tissue. How much you eat? Stay free. How much for? How much you want salt? And the cheapest thing that me tell about now, how much you want pepper? Look how much vegetable and then something there. What is the problem?
You don't understand.
Yeah, act like you're rich.
You don't understand what I'm trying to show you.
If I lick down everything when you said down in your throat today, if you chat no foolishness out here, make your whole community see how me and you fight in the house at night time when them asleep. Because that you want.
Just understand.
Me don't want to understand nothing. Now tell me nothing about no minimum wage. Because foolishness in the chat, that cannot buy anything.
Out of you make $16,000 a week and I make none. Which one better?
Me don't care. It better me no work for the $15,000, none at all. I'm going to get it for free. More than me work and you want to come give me 15 and tell me say $1,000 you want to put money.
Listen. We the poor people.
Are you alone poor? Me don't call down no poor.
As we get repaired, we run down by big chain.
Yeah.
big supers, big clothes because we want to impress girl. No, we have to eat Lily. Even if you buy the
Eat
little
little
China.
hour. Up to chicken back expensive right now. I think that when me they look one for cheaper, you know, and them a get dear to me, I tell you about, you know. Chicken back dear now. Turkey neck a get dear. All the fish head them. Everything a get dear. All the chicken liver we must be $50 a pound. You know how much for now? Anything when they see us still like a hot bird, then raise up the price for we. Alright, let me show you something. You see, any day they raise gas, fear a go raise. You see when fear raise, everything raised in a supermarket. Whether upon the minimum wage, for we support all of them they sitting there. And we have 10 picnic for mine and 15 picnic there and go at school. We have light bill, water rate, this, that, all kind of sitting. Somehow we have folk who believe in and can't buy one sheet of zinc. What you tell me?
You're right. Go on in, you better scam. Just go on in, you better scam. Yeah, man.
If I tell you who fi scam.
Better scam.
If I tell you who fi scam. What make you not go and go do it? Make them lock up your backside.
Anyway, I tell you go.
You ever look like you just drink?
I'm going to deal with them, you have to deal with them. Where do you go?
So I can't come out the door again. Chop off my foot there.
Anyway, we'll come on the road later, so you'll see me on the road later. Hold on. Can you say you're not going to work?
No, I'm not going to work.
So I'll line up myself and do that back, then we'll go for the road.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Come here. Where you have? Come on. Me got me yard. Girl, take time to turn it. Open your hand, listen. Hold this. 1 yard, bye.
Hey, again, but they tell us left yard.
Hello, you know, my mother and me respect fear. So
Where are the road?
Am I foot them?
That not say. You if you come by the road.
Is my foot.
I don't care.
How go on there, sir?
Daddy, he ma come shout at me. Me even know this girl.
You stand up in front this amount of so long. You're not smelly. As me come here, so me smelly. Come,
You
put yourself down here, sir. I food that here talk to sir.
Beneath your nose, you smell.
I food that here talk to sir.
Yours.
I never them sitting here fool.
Hey, look at me ear.
I them sitting here fool.
Okay, that's all that and manners. Because you deal with me in front. You say you deal with me.
Hey, it's a good thing me never breathe here, you know. It's a good thing
Me
me
would
never
want to
breathe
breathe
here, you know.
like you.
Mad. For me sweet.
Sweet weird. You don't see your jacket that.
Come on. Hey, me tell you this. You see as long as I live.
You don't see your jacket.
As long as I live.
You say if you don't see your jacket. And your mouth you smell. Right now you smell a sardine.
Listen to me. You see as long as I live.
Outside
I see my clean skin that in here, so make sure you stay far from now. You see for now?
Then tell us if you want me with you.
Go on, stay out of my life. Me done with it. You're mad rat with somebody. Stay out of my life. Stay out of my life. Stay out of my life. Go along.
Why you look for me now? Why you stop right so? Are you come back? Am I come back now? Can you look like you come back me now?
No, miss, me not come back.
Oh, come in afraid of you.
My man left me.
He left you?
He left you.
Me ask if he left you.
You're deaf.
Oh, thank God. That means me can move in now.
Moving where? Let me tell you something. He might left me, but me not left him. You're not moving to
Mama,
nowhere.
when me moving, I see you come take me out.
Oh, but you say I
come like me come about this man, no. Come like me come about this man. Go on before me take this and bust your head, girl. Go on.
Oh, you gain strength.
Yes, me gain strength.
Oh, you gain strength. Me have something for you. You want to say acid your clot?
Mama, before you acid me, I go fix your lash. Your lash ill and gully like.
No worry about my lash. I have a piece of acid for you.
Your lash and your body just ill and gully.
I know fast me a fast mama, but I would the girl I cuss so. I mean woman I cuss. I really me woman me just see this I cuss.
You're a woman where you jump in other people's relationship. Are you a woman that?
Wait just
I really a woman that? We want to jeopardize my relationship. Hey, listen
to me. Tell you this, yeah. Let me tell you something. Don't grab my woman when I say my woman.
Oh, you woman where you walk and take people, man.
Where?
Your woman where you walk and take other people. people, man.
See people, man, yeah. I mean, she a take.
No, in my work, I take mine too.
But
Where you don't know how old are you? What you take me for?
anyway, I ask about the woman class the free there. Me say you're not in a business.
How that concern you? How the hell that concern you? Mind your business. You know, say your business is spoiled you there, so I mind other people's business.
When you see a woman,
Same thing when you see in a woman.
when me see that woman is love and affection and
Okay, and the
feelings.
same thing me see too. That answer your question. Me can't go about my business now.
Mama, you need to organize yourself and find a man. Organize yourself.
So how you know some have a man?
By the look,
How you know some have a man?
by the look
Funny
at you,
side.
by the look at you, if me that say, psst, I'm in a hall, I'm in a acting over, you don't have a man. Because first thing, you need to sue the eyelash place.
So, hey, you come by my eyelash too. Hey, you're gonna left me eyelash here.
You need-
A long time in the pan here, drop it and drop off. You're gonna left me and my eyelash alone.
No,
It
Mama.
a bother you?
It
I
not-
see you in the pan. Are you woman you in the pan? Leave it alone.
It not drop
Leave
off.
it alone.
It glue on.
Leave it alone.
So who the diamond?
How are you? I'm a daughter named Swawa. You're too fast. One ways, man.
So hold on then, we can ask you a question.
You're police.
You have money for you?
You don't need to know that. I have money and I always have it.
County.
You don't need to, hey, me not county.
County.
Can you not get none of that? Go on ways.
You know why me ask if you have money
Why
for you
the
every
ways?
county? Because if I look at you, I see poverty. Poverty. You have the front and I use it well.
Look what
You can't go
Look
across the
what
street. Go and the woman and the woman, me say the woman have a head. So me here say have a head. Dog in there. Dog in there. Mama, you must use your head wisely.
Hey! I'm a blow out head that you know.
Wow.
Hey, you better come go and public you don't into a stone.
You go like I force your head and go down at them place here. Mama, I ready.
Ah, if my head I go down there, so I don't want to see me go under this so. I pay those under this so. Could you just a drop out? Jesus Christ. No, you know what come one ways. Come one ways before me disrespect you.
See your money, I go fix your eyelash. Me don't like
No,
it.
be right your blood clot.
Your eyelash,
You see? Me
your
have
eyelash remind me of Chucky. You know what Chucky? You know what the doll when the doll?
You more favorite. You take a look in the mirror.
You go away, here.
You know she say you want to ask. Hey, go your ways, yeah?
You know she say your body a lose weight.
Go your ways. That's why no man know why you know she
Listen, mommy, even yesterday, he needs come here now. He saw her niece, the good with her niece. I'm seeing give her money. After we there, dead for hunger. And he said, you know, have no money. I said, you say no, me do. You say, I just call her back. I take the money. I keep the money. As you know, about you know, have the money yet. If I need, see if I money for the niece.
So much money. Yeah, how much money here?
$1,500 I'm seeing him. I'm take $1,000 and give me $5,000.
You get back 5 years?
No, like, I don't want if he go to him and he say, when money they will make you so I don't want to say, I know him full and money and money.
You should have taken the whole $1,500 from her. Him always not have no money. But him have money for him sold dirty niece. I'm alright, you know. I'm alright, man. He soon find one work. I told me to work and that the place a lot of but them are refurbished. You get a job. Where you still?
Right now, already here, if you go back.
Oh God, I'm home, honey. I'm home. Tired. Tired.
Just down pan with your dirty self on the bed when I wash the sheet them yesterday. Me not even know where they come from.
So let me buy a sheet.
Me no business. Every minute you come and come tell me about pan phone about me don't have my niece, me don't have my niece. What's up make you they don't have your niece?
Because me have to help her out. She cannot do certain things. So me have to just help her out, don't they?
Where are mama and her papa there? To help her out.
I don't know.
They are going like she a baby.
One hand was she had me buy it to wear in a house.
I go back to college. How wrong with you?
Oh,
Yeah, because you hook up the your niece, so-called niece so much. That's why you don't know nothing.
Mm-hmm.
oh, me no say.
That's everything.
No, man, but Where I study final college though? That more I know.
No, where money they fi go back to college, that more I know.
Then if me pay for college fee.
Then you have to pay for me go to college, then your college fee I go to Nigerian, so make up your mind.
I already pay for the college fee. Your mother must can give money to go to college.
I need to give money, not you. I want to know see I saw you give her the money and I hook it. Now pass up my fear so I can go about my business.
Baby.
For me, I know me no business with it. Me no in it. And your daughter, give her money, make she go on and travel.
So
look for me, me no business with you.
So you want
take out money I give me. So you wanna pick me that give
my
them.
hand tired.
Garrett.
what money you took from her?
I not took no money. I was just kidding. Come. Search up and find some wallet or
I
something.
don't got no money left.
That
Right?
your wallet a skin off it teeth with me. So come, go in it. If not, you give me a card.
Now look over here, so. Me nine.
So what about the family? If you touch me one more time, it's off here. Touch me one more time. Just touch me one more time.
You're too much here enough. Go to me too much. Come.
You say she rank.
No put me in there, me shit up. Me no business.
I'm going to go sleep, yeah, mommy. Come now.
You must glad you are eating, you know.
Give me.
Cause I would have shot your back.
You don't mind you when you're all.
Me don't want no mind in front.
Okay,
Cause
no business.
next
Me
thing.
need a plan for mine, you need a. Come, give me like a college fare.
You need a plan to mind.
You know, just say you don't want it.
You need a plan to mind.
Mommy.
All right. You need a plan to mind. You need a plan to mind. That's all.
Take up your hat and fire bed. Come, this smell like your niece, dirty foot.
Tie around in it.
I squeeze them always.
Tie around in it. Cause you need a plan to mind. They say look like say I want goat me did a raise and in you're born as a female and we can eat you.
So maybe
Come.
Here, so no. You love say me I feel blood or something too. If me a goat that makes you the papa goat. So come.
Right.
What's that kind of bright?
You am Rami. Come.
So me a Rami now. So you never know me as a Rami before you come to me.
Actually, me know say Rami, that's why I'm there with you. So me a mother Rami, father Rami, and the pitney Rami. Yes, cause so if you style your own a pitney as well. Now you are daddy Rami.
Because in just a ball in me ear so and in here so me
So
broke.
how you have money to give your niece and that she has said. That's why I don't want to come in there, because I don't want this to get chop. Out of hand. You have money to give your niece all the while. One to your own a child. What is wrong with you? What's up with your niece? Your family Ram? How was that?
Me see money in there, no? Come like gland me eye them fast.
Alright. We have 200 foreign money. This can hold you $250.
Daddy, in a Jamaican, that leave $100 good. I am very smart. I studied well in school. So come, see? Me tell you, I saw it and I knew you had the money.
That's right.
So,
We are ball boat. You want to go give niece.
yeah. Thank
Lucky.
you.
That's right.
May God bless you and I will marry you when you're older in the hospital bed. Goodbye.
I need a good money to do something.
You just say no money. Don't mix me up. Come on, so me talk to you. Sit down right here so me get one news. One news figure right in your dirty ears. When me come up a little further. You see light bill? If you pay. The water rate, due. There. I know food no in my house. And see that she gone. So you go have to send up money if she buy grocery. If she have to go beg people them in the compound. I mean, no want she beg you that.
She the pan part. My part take care of that.
You act like part money and no whole heap of money.
It don't
You
matter.
can't help little bit, but not much.
It don't matter. Everything. It don't matter. Anyway, I have to go back for you go hustle. Cause see, you're gone with the whole of money. Come here there. You see all you? Are you spoiler?
Now come back in here tonight. Go on the bridge. Lucky.
Are you me out here, pan?
Me have your pan.
Why you can't just...
I know all of me look for you. Give me money. I money me want.
Huh?
The money me want.
I don't have to go wait. I don't have no money, you know.
How long me go away? What am I supposed to eat? You didn't know, say, when they give me the 1,500, you little ranking that to take the 1,000 and just leave me with 5 bills?
So she tell me.
You can demand this, sir.
You know
How would that? No, I don't know her.
Anyway, we not talk about that. Me give my daughter the whole of the money. She go to college because you know say for her future is better. For your future done gone already, you know. It don't slip through the door, so can't come back, so. Right? So we have to make sure say she become a lawyer. So when time we have fight for justice, we get through in life. You understand? Or she be a doctor, she come medical you or push out the baby because you know say we want the baby.
You not gonna have no baby from me. Cause me not breed for you, it's just on your mackerel. Not even sardine I can't afford a pay mackerel.
Can I ask you a question?
No, ask me no question. See when you say when you have the money, you link me back.
How many people in this country don't have money?
And what you see them a do? Beg. Who know they on the bridge? I beg.
And you want to make it up, mama? God bless the island with ackee, breadfruit, pear, banana.
Me not eat banana.
No, you can go sell it and buy meat.
Me
That
can't
is the
be and
thing.
make you go sell it.
So me, if you go sell for you,
Nothing wrong.
you're mad, you're sick, you're psycho.
What man make for do?
Man make you do good things.
No, man make for work.
So what man make you do?
Stay home.
So you believe so?
Yes.
You're one of them dirty, careless women that will sit on a yard, believe that. You see why?
Listen to me. I road me there pan right now. You see me they go up and me want the money. Come in and I'm no mackerel today Sunday.
Come in here, go to the road.
Candy! Candy!
Oi.
Oh, me say, a while ago, me dey up the road up there so, and me see your baby father with one next girl.
I lie at you.
God know. Candy, you know say me not come here yet corona and joke. Me not run turn the joke, Candy.
Which part of the road then?
Right up, which part the long line post there. He want shot tuku girl.
Come show me, come.
You want to see girl? Come on. See him done that so.
Girl?
Do like him gone.
What?
No man, see him done that so. Come on. I don't hear so.
Riri? After you take me out of my house.
In the dust the right there so.
You just you talk like you know down there a liar they tell. I waste my time. You really make me waste my time, Riri, if you come out and say you sure say you did see my woman down there so?
Yeah, me see him after me not idiot and me not blind. Me see him for true what him me see.
You know the girl?
No, me not know the girl at first me I see her.
Yeah. So could I wish girl that?
Me no know.
My baby father, you sit stand up down there so?
Yes, your baby father. Come let me show you Candy.
Riri, me no want to go down there so for nothing at all, you know.
Just come show you that right down there so in there. See? Down there so in there. Yes. Wait, am I gone? Don't write a sign in there now.
You know, say you love prank people from the day. Me I tell you stuff is stop it and you're not here. So, other day people them tell me down a market, you know, when me go buy some vegetables, you know, say, Riri, you go in a market, go pranky people them about them fish and then chicken with them sell. Eh? I know you come and do it with me.
Candy, I
Riri,
swear.
me not
Right,
run then joke there with me, man, you know.
right, let's say in the turn up Candy.
Right way.
Right, let's say with the girl and the girl short and tuku.
See, where that the girl they come from?
I don't know. I should have a bunny
So
for
I wonder if I chew you they talk, me I wonder if I see them see we and run gone.
Me know. Goodly. Can I tell him say, me I go tell him man.
Riri, yes, when they talk it out, me can't know. That's why I tell you, if it touch run so serious joke. Because look what you do in the market the other day. Make it woman nearly kill him man sake of you.
I want to kill him man. Just tell us I should want to kill him man.
Yeah. So you just take anything for joke so.
I'm not joking, that's truth.
You know what? You waste, look, me not see nobody, you waste me time. You waste me time, man.
time. This the next time I see a man again, but me not can't tell you.
No, I know that. Me not, no, really, me not see them. Where you expect me to say no? Talk to God truth. Next time you take out your phone, turn on one place and video them.
Phone for me.
Go home, me I got, what me can say to him now when me see him when he come in.
What make me always lucky if you come book up on you?
I want to say that I never want to book up on you, because told me hungry, me all them off your head right now.
So I can't buy you something to eat.
Me not want you buy me nothing for the Go on to your woman.
Hello, I left at the mad girl there. Let me tell you that.
Well, there's a mad girl then I left you. In your head, you are left, but in a fear head, you are still there. Come out of me and come on business.
Oh, your son, so he come like, you still like him to one
Me
bar.
tell you, say right now, me hungry, I'm not finna off your head, because the girl come and look like a shame. Me should it come out. Me have to take a big stone.
I see you behave.
Yes, and the hooligan this.
Can't bother like you then, man. Me
No,
can't
no,
pick
I
up
like
back,
me.
I can't pick up back the same dirty attitude that me try to put on from she.
Well, you lucky. Me don't know man beat me.
So, you a coward? Me don't want a coward woman, you know.
Me a coward, don't want me.
Sometimes me go pick you up and spend my money on you, you a coward. They can't even watch out me picnic if me pregnant and you have me picnic on the road.
Pregnant who?
If
Me can't breed.
your mother not teaching her home training,
Me not the mother. Grandfather me grew up with.
and why that always up on your head?
It can come off.
Right.
It can come
How
off.
long you have to pull it chunk
It
and fly
can come
ban it?
off. I don't know what you're talking about.
Come see if it smell nice. Smell nice too.
Yes. Don't rank yourself. I just keep my body on because I'm not going nowhere.
So how are you spraying there?
My spray nothing in there.
Let's say you're hungry now. What do you baby man? You go and get the Jamaicans. You want to eat?
Anything.
Anything?
Yes. I'd rather seafood.
Seafood? How much is seafood boy?
No. Any amount of money I feel.
Any amount of money we feel? Alright, this is try first, me I guess something. What is this? Just
Thank
change that,
you.
just wanna change that, it could be whole heap. What kind of money that?
15,000. It is US.
Right. So make sure next time when I see you, you don't talk to me with that tone in advice there.
Okay.
Come in like my girl and talk to me with it. That's why I left that mad girl there.
Well, tell them mad girls if you see me and not see me. Because any day she step to me, a day me know me I put her 6 feet on the ground.
Back, sit down.
Alright.
Oh, you finna tell me, say if you tell her things and tell her, I just see a woman, me not like put me on her sometime now. But if I mean in your position, back, sit down, kick it down, tap in her in too much.
Alright then.
So me can get to live nice and something.
Yeah.
You can't make sure live in the neighborhood, please.
They can't move me in.
That more want do that.
Yeah, when they move me in, me move her out.
No, watch your man. If me move in like that, she'll come the concrete problem.
So move her out first.
More you get her out of the neighborhood.
So like me can get like a catch me. When I'm pass out of the bar done this, so you know, like she and the woman over the fence me.
What you pray? Post your
Like
buy.
she and the woman over the fence in a things.
Post your buy all one 3-star. And make sure you walk with the all
No
white.
man, this one more than this
No.
can buy 3-star.
3-star for 5,000 down in that town. Let
A
them
little-
want 15,000.
I want not coming at you. So
Watch
but
the
me
man.
want miss.
Let her fee have pan you. So if she try, because she not left her knife in.
Alright.
I really want to get rid of her, man. She thief out everything out of my house when time I left my house lock up, you know.
No man, me I go start it out.
I mean, you know what she do with so much of my things and what she
Because
thief out,
she
you know.
and the woman over the fence in a thing, so she a give the woman.
You know how much of my furniture girl take out of my house?
A woman have them.
When I see girl and I just think that she did nice and honest and everything, you know. It's a mad girl me pick up, you know.
Madder than me.
Where you see her go?
How me dog go? I'm not going away.
You know,
Just that walk.
So walk alone and just stay walk.
Yeah, but like come I get the money now, me I go home, go bathe and freshen up, go buy the food.
Come in then, man.
So yeah, I go.
I saw me did I go.
I don't want you in my yard.
No, for me boy around this man, I go link, man. What do you, man? So you want to make me fresh you up?
I'm not ready for you to come in my yard. So me
I
yard
come
not
here,
clean.
that's for my boy, I go and sit to man and sit, man.
Oh, alright.
Mommy,
You alright?
no, me not alright.
Come to you now.
Me run out of money because the son them upper college expensive and me have to buy them because me can't dead for hunger.
Ah, Jesus. Me did talk to your father about it, you know.
How when did I
Say
say?
everything expensive, not cheap, and the little money when you give for your work this so with. I know it wouldn't serve. But you know it, how him come down already when he come on to money.
It's just me.
Always in niece. Every dollar when you have, you say I niece, and you have to go help. Because sitting do mom pop. You not understanding? See they know.
So
Why?
I feel one flesh and blood in there chop out so happy to mom.
I forget one partner money still, so I don't know when. I have to wait till the people them carrying for them dry, you know.
Yeah.
The lady can give me, if I even part time, I tell her if she give me the amount which she collect. So me can either send it come give you or me don't know when you can come down feed. Me don't know, but we will talk about that part there.
Alright.
Oh, you go get it. Here when he come, me talk to him because he want that fat. Me can't bother with him, you know.
Me neither.
Never have money yet. Fi give him pitney or him woman. Me not understand him. Anyway, later, love you, and I hope
Yeah,
the
love
little
you
bit of
too.
something that we have like serve you until me get through with some money if you send come here.
Yeah, me I go try.
Alright, love you, my baby.
Alright, love you.
Oh, Lord. Oh, God. Tired.
Oh, you just badging so as me come off my phone. I want me. You turn up one side and listen to me. Yes, I want man me did that chat to hour. You think me don't know your turn? Anytime you see me from me phone.
You know, every time
Sit down
somebody
there
I
for
chat
me
to
a
you.
movie for you. Sit down, you know, because I need to talk to you.
Me know somebody I chat to. I know that. You don't have to tell me that. So,
Man me did that talk to you.
I feel like you know, say, oh, Lord.
If you're near me, you have running belly.
If you eat this,
Me set if it's somebody and you always they come in and call name sitting. Put it back.
I want money me I look for borrow still.
What you say?
I want money me I look for borrow to...
You are look for money for borrow?
Yeah.
Why?
Me have been really sick, I want to go to doctor.
How come you look money for borrow?
Huh?
Why you look money for borrow?
I'm sick.
You're supposed to have money, you work, and you get paid. So what is your problem?
We don't get paid till tomorrow.
Me not understand you.
And tomorrow before we get paid. You don't understand nothing I come out of my mouth.
No, because right now...
Hold on there. All right. You hear me
God.
clearly now?
So why you push up then too sick in your nose like I did somebody?
No, because I'm sick. I'm sick, man. I'm sick. I'm sick.
No, listen to me now. You they come with for your fool, pian story, you know. And right now, Kena just call.
Where she a beg now? Where she really a beg?
You forgot say, Jesus Christ. You forgot how which part she there?
Oh.
You forgot say she there at college?
Oh, just.
And she board. No. Me not understand you. So you expect say the little chum change where you give her for serve her from them the time until now, you know must know say money she want.
If me get 3,000.
Me she didn't even have to explain this at it. Because you should have
he could have used 200 a day.
What?
I 300.
How make you think Ken a baby? 18-year-old they got 19. Few months time she a 19. Where you talk say?
You don't understand. You don't understand life.
You don't understand life.
They live for their life. We send them to high school, right?
I who pay the tuition money?
Me.
Are you alone?
And he reach high school and then he reach college. And she will help herself in the college. She
She go help herself and she not working. When she leave college, she will work. What is your problem?
She borrow student loan.
And how it pay back? When she work, she want pay for. And she just start work before you make she kind of save a little bit and me and you work and pay for So me and must can work and help her. She not 21.
When me all you know, she gonna look at me and tell me, say,
you cannot predict that.
Me should have get another picnic. She want can help.
Yeah.
Yes.
Remember, I said me could have 2 more, you know. Me could have 2 more, but the way you make me hungry like a dog more while when me pregnant, me lose the picnic them because then dead for hungry in my belly.
I know my fault. Are you going
hungry
drink
kill them.
Are you drink rum?
Me drink rum. Me? I don't drink, and you know, don't tell no lie upon me. Me they talk to you about the money fee, picnic fee at college, and you they come up with 1 heap of bag of sitting and nothing where you say now make no sense.
You know what I know? I want a piece of money. I just don't tell my boss say you just send after my daughter. So
when? Because she need it. She need it more than what she want it. When?
Later.
Later?
Yeah.
Me go call her back right now, you know? I make she know say you say later. So look here, you know fi promise kids nothing wait, although she 18, me no business. I still fi me pitney. Make me call her pitney, but she a big woman, me understand. You know fi promise no pitney nothing. No promise no children, no child, nothing at all. Unless you're sure say you go give it to them. Else it go stuck in their brain. And you know come out until you give them. So
You don't need to call her and tell her that.
you lie, tell them.
Why would I tell her
I
that?
lie, they tell you now send no money go give her later. You fi stop tell her, you know.
I said, well, 6 grand go give.
6 grand? What a wicked man.
So you can't do that before the week? You think you can do 6 grand before the week, done?
The things them expensive, stop it.
$1,000.
You know how much you have to pay for one box food up there? You know how much one juice? Water where should have cheap, it all get expensive too. What your problem?
Well, if
You see they go and help her in a college, and when she left college and they work, if you're sick, you don't know what go happen to in a real life. Maybe she will have to go turn.
she fi mind me.
She fi mind you.
She fi, if I never make she would have on the earth.
So here, who did she did? I wish part she stay on the earth and phone you and tell us if you come take her. And me and you go pick her up from which part she did this. She never tell you if you come put her upon her. So we're responsible for her until she dep on her own. What is the problem?
Alright. Alright.
I don't know when the government come from out about when Pitney reach 16, them have age for consent. When they 18, then they pan their one. You know, it's a life from the pit of hell. No. Too wicked, man. It better than say 21. At least they have little more sense and know.
That's why we need to
work and help them.
That's why we need to put him in America. So when he's 16,
put him who? Who you call him? My daughter?
She. America. When he's 16, he start work.
You act like I say I'm go America alone in the whole world. Other country the way she can go to.
But over America has strict rule, you can't drink. You
everywhere have strict rules. Some are we just not abide by it. And not follow rules and regulation, policy and law.
Yeah.
Some are we. That's why you put yourself in trouble more while. And that you time so.
You don't go party go say 16 years old.
I don't go party. You go because every night you come in and you're drunk like a dog.
I feel my money.
Dog soon lick off your mouth and roadside. About a few money. You see it?
What?
You have money if you buy rum, but you have money $6,000. Go give him left right in front of
listen
me.
You know that's but me I left you with a warning. I'm selling her 6 grand today. So she don't be call me back,
6 grand and me the plan to send her 70 grand? He's a wicked man. I don't know how you come from this Alania. You're too dangerous.
Before you give me 60 out of
what? And then my pitney day up at college, I beg other students toothpaste, tissue, and look here, remember say she a girl, you know, she a woman. And she have her monthly thing. You have to buy stay free. Look here. Nobody with me.
You should have gone to college then because
Yeah.
you should have just go look at work and say I said go to college when
Good papa. You.
But you could have a look at work and say yourself for college. You could have waited till 21 and you go to college.
I wonder right now in my brain if I continue the conversation with you because you don't sound like a one real father. You sound like a sperm donor.
If me was that a real
right
father.
now, me wish me do one another DNA. Me don't know who make we go do DNA and then say you hyper. Me wish me do one next one and then say that I was a mistake and you know your daddy. We make you stay so.
No, but you have to look into it.
You can do your own picnic so. The one and a pan and a pick and a if and a choose. If you have to give money.
Work. I'm sending yourself for college. You know what's picnic? We don't mind get the opportunity where I get now. If I get 6 grand a week.
Go on, Ramid. Go on. Leave me alone. It's alright.
You don't understand.
It's alright. Just go on. Me start out it. Just go on. Take your $6,000 and clean your you know what? Go on, man. Everything good.
We also look nice.
Oh, dear man.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Wagwan, Wasi.
Yeah, me there, man. What going?
I something called college.
There, me there. Walk up my family, them, you know. Yes, sir.
I don't say no. Young miss.
Hello.
Where you say pray?
Huh?
Where you say pray?
Something called college. You daughter grow though. You grow. You behave.
So father, you have to come approach me. Them a time upon the road and taste it with me
No,
with
when
my
you come
family.
and do my daughter in a college, you know.
Normal pre still, man. How are you, man? How much again?
500.
500.
Yeah. So are you?
I'm a cousin.
It's actually tomorrow me get yours, isn't it?
So
Me have to go spend some money on
I
them.
will, I said, go give me that, you know.
What kind of money I know things stay, bro? I must see my daughter the years and my cousin same way, you see me? We have to get them to spend some money. They want ice cream, they want.
Say no, say no.
Yeah, I get the money.
I'm a family, yo. The name say me, my family, them a tour. My first cousin, they said, Daddy.
Later.
I know I'm my niece. Come here. What? Yeah, my niece. Come here, man. I want to talk to you.
Your niece? Your uncles?
Yeah.
Listen.
So you and her become uncle and niece, me not understand.
Be careful.
Watch hey, car boy with a money make a link here touch me, you know.
Oh, you with me actually. You need emergency. You need to feel right up at you.
Alright.
Yeah? Emergency.
Alright. I think I will have my family I go know. And I think 1 month since me know.
Yo, how are you going? How long you know that man?
I'm my uncle. Me no must know him from birth, from my birth.
How
From my
comes
band.
how comes he become your uncle?
I forgot my family tradition.
Hey, make sure your uncle for you, because it's like how a style we just have to use for him. Make sure you know style I use for me, you know.
You understand me? It's fine. Me I go up.
Yo, that's why I like walk up and down the road with my family, them, you know.
Me check you, me say. Just calm down, man. Me so come.
Yo, I say you go on.
Me say me so come.
It's alright, do your thing. Man,
Wicked ain't no man.
Is it?
And if I'm in
Is it?
I'm man.
How you know that? Hey, my daughter, no bother with that, you know. Me know why you chat about no
No, I
man and
don't
no woman.
mix up.
Listen, me know why you chat about no man and no woman on a road, you know. A road with the pan, you know. How you know say man?
We see them together.
So if I see them, that means say them, listen, stop watch people.
Alright.
Stop watch people business. What me tell you say when they come on the road? Stop smiling with me. Stop watch people business when they come on the road. They mean say them then there. You can see them and walk together and chat about them there. A girl ever grown when me say man a problem. Yo, come here. Problem.
Where say go on now?
We ask you a question. Who the nigga? Can you take feed this?
Me I know him like that much. Me I look me I look piece of money. And money me I look.
So why the hell you tell me your cousin like me an idiot?
Can me just me want some money. Cause I feel money you take for give me, you know. Cause I could never take money to get that again.
Yeah, we have to give you some.
So me I get out of here.
We have to give you some. So half you and half she.
Me know not too money you get. Where is it?
So want to me. We don't want to drink rum.
That you know so me I go left you. Me I go left you, me I go there with you in the car, give me more than one. This all still little.
Oh, little.
Can't buy what me want to buy. This too
No,
bit.
let me tell you something. You're very,
No, you're little what you want.
very
No,
wicked.
me tell you this.
You're
You
very
move
wicked.
stingy from what there, cause this money is nothing. The money can't do nothing.
You know that?
No, but the second time I see she come here, so you know, so me convinced her you're not in something.
Oh, you did that?
Then when she come here so far,
That little squid there.
so she come here so far.
Listen, when I talk to squid, so don't do that. Don't do that. I don't
Yeah,
do that.
quit myself.
Come take a walk with the road, man. Don't worry.
Come.
Show you.
Candy! You can't say and believe me this time. Me see a baby father down the road and so with the same girl again. Come and me show you this
I
time.
don't follow you go nowhere. You know, say, you know,
Candy,
say,
me swear. Me say for my life, come for true. Candy, just come on.
No, me not
Me
come.
not joy this time. I serious something, Candy. Me
every
see
time you
true.
call me and tell me that Riri and me, you go, me not see
Every
this
time when
magic.
they start chat, you could have hurry up and maybe go and they go catch him for true this time.
That's a wish party in there now.
In the right down Alice shop down there so.
Really?
But true, you see this time, any hour you go down there and see him to bust me head.
Come on, boss head.
Come on.
Time.
Yeah, so,
on.
yeah, we are saying no.
Yeah, we have this time not tell no like come on. Yes, here. And y'all get this tuku gala. $3 $200.
Hello.
US Candy.
How would this?
You don't know something niece?
Are your niece this? Come around here, so. How your name?
You don't know me, Candy?
From where?
Ashani's in niece.
Niece.
Mama
Yes,
said she come over here
youngest
for
niece.
eat.
Riri,
Eh?
come here. What you say good on? Tell me.
See, me say me do the so. And me pass and me see two of them and him a give money.
Yes, he give me money to buy medication.
Two of them there. What you want medication for do?
Me sick with my heart. I have a hole in my heart.
Lie!
So what kind of money? You soon get it back. Let me look for how much money in here. You now get it back.
Right.
You say,
You
well,
not
I
get
don't
it back.
come like you come bomb me. When I know you and your daughter.
Too light.
You
Then a
not get
woman
it back.
truth.
Your
You
niece.
finish their college.
So wait. Are your niece?
Yeah.
Are your niece?
Yeah.
Hold on.
No, tapa.
I hope you say there.
Hold this, because I need to search it. You know what? Give him back in phone, because I don't want to search my phone. Hold that.
This can chat so.
Oh.
So God Almighty, Papa.
We just collect your money, baby.
We'll handle it.
We just collect it, just believe me.
You just collect 300 US. And you're taking and give your niece 200 out there and 100. So we ain't gonna do with this. Tomorrow when you see her, you tell me say you have to go give your niece again?
No, we don't care.
And your daughter need money to pay for your college fee and everything. Eh?
But I can't care for your daughter.
Where you care for who for daughter?
$15,000.
This year?
When they change it to 15,000.
So your niece more important than your daughter?
Her health.
Okay.
Sick. She's sick.
Well, let's see your daughter. Remember, it's my daughter too. And that are your fake niece. Me go tell her something. Wait first.
What do you mean by fake niece?
Come here. Girl, come here.
Listen to me.
Come here.
Listen to
Help! Help! Help!
Help you. Look here. Papa, how we going to sleep tonight? Where you going to sleep? Come here, I want to talk to you. Every minute you do there is something here.
No,
when you always do that.
No.
When you always do it, I tell me lie. You think me not here for a long time saying your niece?
Alright, mama.
You think me not here saying you're a woman? That's why you don't have no money to give me and your daughter.
Mama, confess.
Kind of like you pay down on it or road.
No.
You not get it. What?
No, I'm
what? See me
confess.
later go there. What happened?
You not give me no next youth, right?
So where you want to tell me say she breed for you now?
So, no.
Me not give you another youth, so you get it from she. No, see
No, relax.
Right.
No. I'm trying to process it, baby.
Process what? So you even if you don't cheat on me, Papa, you them the kind of skittle there, you go unprotected sex? Like, let me look on my front car. If you ever make nothing do me front, me frig up you. Papa,
only 2 times he shot me, the 2 times. With you.
Papa, what you say? She shot you 2 times?
Only 2 times. What me get with that?
Time when me didn't give you nothing, or during the time me did I do it?
When they didn't give me nothing.
I'll let you tell me, oh God, doctor. Papa, what you say?
You get with that, man. Those 2 bullets, that's it.
No wonder why my front did so fat and then he get so maga because you shut off it. Papa, what you do?
No. We take pill. We take pill.
Let me tell you something. You see, any of my ears say you and that girl there in a no more. Turn up on road and attack again and take our child money and give she, you're not gonna like it.
No, man.
You know something you can't grieve for a long time, you know.
Alright, give me back the change.
You know how long you give me and kind of friggin' what you call it, mackerel for name and rice and
food. No food.
Me I wonder if me feel bother in an argument with you on the road, make your neighbor then hear because you not get what me I say. Kena are your daughter. She dey at college and she need money. And you take your little dirty liar self and hand it away all the while or you have niece a road. Me have to give me niece money. So want to me and your daughter.
Alright. Must start step up.
Step up which part? Pan which step? Where you step go? You step back go to that little girl there.
No, you're mad. Me done with that.
Papa, but me not understand you. Come back to the shotting story. The girl shot you 2 times and you still there with her. What your problem? A tie she tie you?
It's nice.
She obey.
You know, I gum fat, so it don't really matter. As long as no, as long
bullet in it for nice. You idiot to say you're rummaged. When you meet her, you the junk.
as long as no ears not in there.
What? And you no got doctor yet?
No.
Alright, guess what?
Can we do
Guess what?
check
You know
up?
say a long time. Me did want to tell you this. Let me tell you something. Me and my daughter go overseas. She soon left.
Oh, come on.
Me did have one date inside on my phone. And me already find a man.
File what?
And he start file for me and your daughter.
File what?
So go and
Him have to take me too. If he want take you and my daughter, him have to take me over there too. The boy nah go for my daughter. I'm in their wedding. Me have to go too.
I find go for your daughter, me and him a go there. And my fiancé will take over me and our daughter, not you. What you are doing in the picture? Unless you come to the yard boy there and clean up the place. Remember me tell her that.
So me go to the yard boy?
Yes.
I watch another man hump my wife.
Because you know no use your word. You like in front them we have bullet in them. Go and go take shot. More from here. So me done with you. I go call Kena right now and make sure you know I go down. Say the paper them soon come through.
I'd rather take a bullet than guard, Alex man guard, I watch him jump my wife.
Then go and go take it. Go and go take it.
I'm going to go tear up your passport. You think you'll have passport? All right.